Hello. Ganda ng weather. Ganda ng weather, guys. Okay. Meron tayong vlog today. Today is Thursday. Nag-off ako sa work kasi may mga dapat tayong asikasuhin. Ayan. So, meron tayong baon. Kasi baka maghintay tayong matagal. Cheese roll. And then, meron tayong water. And then, nagdala ako ng chips. Ayan. So, let's go na at baka malate na tayo. Okay, bye. Wala akong lipstick. Bye, guys. So, nandito na tayo sa Hampstead. Meron tayong appointment na 9:20. Hindi ka na naman alam kung anong sasabihin sa akin ni doktora. So, sasama ko kayo for today's video. Malaman natin kung anong ganap natin today's video. Puro tayo doktor. Ayan. So, 9:20 ang appointment ko. Anong oras na? 9:15. Pasok na tayo sa loob. Okay, let's go, guys. Hi, 9:20 appointment, Dr. Huma Aziz.
What's your name?
Maria Cristina Pulido.
Any cold, flu-like symptoms?
No.
You are in Korean.
1:30.
1:30. And what are we doing today?
Blood test?
Blood test? No need for blood test now. You will do blood test after the iron infusion.
Because last Friday when I come, I have a blood test. I remember.
Oh, you have a blood test done here. Oh, okay.
For the
alright.
thyroid, I think.
Oh, for the thyroid. Thyroid is fine.
Mm.
Thyroid is fine. You are on what dose of thyroid? You are taking 101 daily?
Mm.
That is fine. So thyroid is functioning fine. And yes, you're right. We did some of the. We have discussed that. Did we discuss the thyroid on that day or no?
I think, yeah.
That's okay.
Because
don't
I
worry.
received a message that
That's right. I received because there was a letter from the emergency department, and at that time it wasn't sure whether they have planned the iron infusion or no, because I think they let you go home.
Yes.
That's right. So that's what I wanted to ask you, whether it has been arranged or should I arrange in the clinic. But then I received a letter last night
Yeah.
that they are doing it today.
Yeah.
1:30.
Supposed to planning to do here.
Yes,
But
that's right.
In the 3 days they
They messaged you.
Yeah.
Did you hear from the gynecologist? Gynos?
No.
That's the problem because
But
I
Doc,
think
I missed this last Tuesday. I missed the appointment in my kidney because the appointment because I'm working that day. So I tell them, but they said 3:30, but they called me 3 o'clock. So I didn't answer that call. I don't know if
the
they.
kidney one.
Yeah,
Okay.
I missed the call.
Okay, that's okay. If you were you working at that time, do you think they're gonna
This
discuss
one, general medical.
general medical 5th of May? Oh, okay, all right.
I missed the phone
Were you
call.
working on that day?
Yes, but I tell her that I'm working, but she said it's okay. We do the phone call. But
You were.
I expecting 3:30, but they called me.
They called earlier.
Yeah.
That's okay. We can't do much about it now. It's already gone.
Mm-hmm.
They've seen you once, isn't it?
Mm.
I think they will rebook it for you. Then.
Okay.
Hopefully.
I just wait.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Hopefully they will rebook it for you.
Mm-hmm.
I think you are booked in 18th of May as well.
Yeah, I have 18 for the ultrasound. I think.
No, you have an appointment with the doctor on 18th
Oh,
of May.
I didn't receive yet.
18th of May. They will probably let you know.
Okay. Yeah.
All right. You might have an appointment, so don't miss that. 18th of May is Monday.
Oh. I'm working.
If you need any medical certificate, let me know on the phone. I can organize that for you
on the phone.
on the phone. For example, if you are going to go to doctor's appointment and you are working, that's okay, no
But I
problem.
can get the certificate for them, right?
They sometimes do, sometimes they don't. So if they don't do it, you can book a phone consult with me. I can do it for you.
So in
Just book a time phone, and I will call you and I will
okay.
email it to you
Okay.
in case. Okay. So you go to the appointment today for your iron infusion, and then I will check your bloods again in probably 2 months time.
2 months.
I will do again.
Can I get a medical certificate
For today?
For today?
Of course, no problem.
Because
Yeah,
I was sick.
Of course, no problem.
Because my day off every Friday. Okay,
So
after
now
2
the
months.
now the thing is like we need to wait for our gynae appointment. That's the
Yeah.
most important thing because that is the reason why you're losing iron. You should see if you don't hear from them, for example, now this is May.
Mm-hmm.
In next 4 weeks, if you
Mhm.
don't hear from them, please come and see me so I can give a call to them or maybe do another letter to them.
Okay.
All right.
So after the
Iron infusion, come back and see me in 1 month time. I want to do your bloods again, and also you can tell me whether the gynae appointment has been arranged.
I will need take iron tablet.
After this, you can ask them. I don't think so. You need it
Okay.
because the iron infusion is a big one.
Yeah, that is right.
But ask them when you go there today.
Okay.
All right. All the
Thank
best.
you.
Thank you.
Okay. Kakatapos lang natin magpa-check up. Oh, ayun. Pwede pala dito, oh. Katapos lang natin magpa-check up. Ang appointment ko is nabangga niya ata yung sasakyan. Kaloka, nabangga niya ata yung sasakyan. Pero tumakbo lang siya, umalis. Okay, 9:20 appointment ko. So, anong oras niya ako tinawag? Siguro mga 9:35. So, 9:57 na ngayon. Andito na ako sa car. Ang sabi niya, okay naman daw yung thyroid ko. And then, kasi yung hamster palaging message na, oh, you have a message, blah, blah, blah. Kaya palagi ako nagpapa-appointment kay doktora. So, pagkatapos niya, today, meron kasi akong iron infusion. Yeah. Kasi mababa yung iron natin. Anemic tayo. So, kailangan natin niya kasi tayo palagi tayong feeling tired. So, after that, after 2 months daw, pag na-absorb na yung body natin yung iron infusion, babalik tayo kay doktora unless merong mangyayari. Pero alam ko, wala dahil I'm healthy because of my God. Sa God natin, diba? I'm healthy, I'm rich because of my God. Yes, si Jesus Christ. Ayan. So, ang appointment natin doon is 1:30. 10 o'clock na aga tayo. So, ano nga gawin natin? From here, pa uwi, 30 minutes. So, 9, makakarating tayo na ng 10:30. Maaga pa, diba? So, mamamalengke muna tayo, tapos umuwi. Tapos, doon na rin tayo kumain sa bahay. Okay? Tapos, humingi tayo ng doctor certificate. Ayan, dahil absent tayo for today's video. Ayan. So, medical certificate. Okay, meron tayong certificate, pero mamaya hihingi pa rin tayo ng medical certificate para doon sa ano, kasi yun ang hanapan. So, magdadrive na tayo, guys. Yun lang, bye! Update ko kayo mamaya kung ano mangyayari. Itatry ko mag-video ng palihim. Kung ano nangyayari for today's video. Itatry natin yan. Sa ating health. Yun. Hindi natin alam kung ilang oras tayo mag-stay doon. Okay, bye guys. See you later. Okay, bahay na tayo. Ayan. Nagbago isip ko. Sabi ko, mamaya na ako mamalengke after do sa isang appointment natin. So, kakain muna tayo. Ang time ngayon is, ayan. Wala naman. Ano ba yan? Ang time ngayon is 10:27. So, ibabalik na natin yung mga dala natin. Ayan. Hindi natin nakain. Kasi akala ko maghihintay ako ng matagal. Lagay natin sa bag. Buti na lang hindi tayo naghintay na matagal. Okay, bye. Bahay na tayo. Nagugutom na si Maria. So, magluto muna tayo na kakainin. Parang gusto kong magpansit canton. Meron tayo parang pansit canton dito, yung may goreng. Hindi na ba ito pwede? Nakalagay dito July 8, 2025. Hindi na ba ito pwede pag ganitong noodles? Hindi ko alam. Natin. So, magluto muna tayo, guys. Ito yung pansit canton. Tapos, maglalaga tayo ng itlog. 2. Okay. See you later. So, dito tayo nakapag-park. Okay, guys. Punta tayo sa... Wait lang. Pupunta tayo sa second... Ano natin? Tawag doon? Wait lang. So, nandito ko siya. Pupunta tayo sa ating second
appointment yon. Pag-isip. Kulang sa tulog. Dito tayo sa Lai McQueen Hospital. 1:30 ang appointment natin. Okay, tabid na. Magpapa-iron infusion tayo. Yan guys, dito tayo nagpupunta sa mga ganap natin sa health. Yan, naglalakad tayo. Doon ako nakapark. So, try natin i-vlog tong moment na to. Nilalakad ko siya. Simula doon sa parking na yon, ayun. Siyempre, sobrang malayo, hindi niya makita. Nilalakad ko siya dito. Hahanapin natin kung saan yung sinasabi niyang ano ba yung sabi niya dito sa message. Sabi niya 1:30 sa avoidance team. Hospital, saan yun? At Lai McQueen Hospital. Sana wala tayong bayad dun sa ganda. Sana wala tayong bayad dun sa oh my God, nataian ata ako sa ulo. Wala pa naman tayong dalang tissue. Ibon na yan. Wala tayong tissue dun sa loob. Ayan. Yan yung mga waiting. May mga parking dyan pero alam ko may bayad. Dito na tayo. Magtatanong tayo doon sa loob. Sana okay ang lahat-lahat sa atin. Healthy tayo because of God. It's tayo because of God. Meron silang cafe dyan. Yun, emergency. Yan ako na emergency dyan. As entrance.
Like also because like how crazy like.
Magtanong tayo dito sa hello? Where's the abundance team? Abundance team? Lai McQueen.
Can you see orange t-shirt?
Okay, thank you. Diba? May papunta.
That one? I'll take him if you want. You gonna take him? Alright.
Alright, thank you.
You're welcome.
Hi. I just want, where is the abundance team like
Alright.
McQueen?
So down here, look. I can take her straight. Come with me, love.
Thank you.
Right, we're going to go left. We'll go this way, love. We'll go left. There's two ways you can
That's
go.
all right, as long as we get there in the end.
You can actually go right up to the end and turn left.
Okay.
So right at the end of that corridor. Now the hospital avoidance team, love. Not this door here. The next one where that gentleman is.
Yeah.
That's where the hospital avoidance team and there's seats on the left-hand side.
Okay.
And you need to ring the intercom if the door's not open.
Okay. Thank you so much. Okay. Naliligaw na ako So this one here.
So much that I went on him. I was like,
Excuse me. This one abundance team here
Sorry?
for the blood.
Blood.
Abundance.
this is pathology. Where do you want to go? Transfusion?
Yeah.
It's over there. Yeah, yeah.
In
Cancer
there.
center.
Ah, okay. Thank you. Naligaw yan. Nakita ko na yung patient room.
You here for an infusion?
Yes, 1:30
Head through to the nurses in there.
in there. Thank you. Hello. I have a 1:30 appointment.
What's your name?
Maria Cristina.
What's your appointment at Dell? Okay, your appointment is in the hospital avoidance team. I'll show you where.
I go and okay. Nagpaikot-ikot ako, lumabas pa ako doon. Ito lang pala, sa hospital at home, yan. Nagpunta ako doon. So, patago lang yung ating video. So, waiting na tayo. Nalate ako. 1:30 appointment ko, 1:34 na. Pero at least nahanap natin. So, yan. Papasok tayo. Huwi tayo ng tawag ng name natin. Okay. May nagtanong sa akin kasi nakalagay. Nakalagay kasi hot clinic. Ayan, hindi ko alam kung mababasa nyo. Hot clinic. Pero yung tanong niya. Nabulong ako kasi medyo mahaba tong video ko siguro. Heart clinic meaning hospital at home. Ang sabi niya parang hot. Ay, ewan ko. Yun lang. Ay, so tapos na tayo guys. Nakalabas na ako. Hospital. Tapos na yung iron infusion natin. So, punta na tayo sa parking. Siguro uuwi na ako. Bukas na lang ako mamamalengke para sa dadaling bukas sa ating kanak. Parang gusto ko magpahinga. So, dito na tayo. Pupunta na tayo sa parking. Ang lamig. Dami pa rin naninigarilyo. Singsingkot ko yung mga sakit ang kamay ko. So natapos tayo ng 1:30 ang appointment natin. Natapos tayo ng 3:30. Nagbayad ako ng $25. Pero pag private hospital yon nasa 300. Ay, thank you Lord talaga. Hindi tayo pinapabayaan ni Lord. Hindi tayo pinapabayaan ni Lord. Ang galing. Actually, mag-decide na ako na kung kailangan ko talaga ng iron. Magpa-private na ako. Private clinic. No choice. Kailangan natin magbayad ng 300. Pero tinawagan kagad ako ng McQueen Hospital. Wow. So, binigyan nila ako ng iron infusion. So, nagbayad lang ako ng $25. O, diba? Bait ni Lord. So, ngayon, sana wala tayong ticket. Babayaran sa car. Pauwi na tayo. Tumitingin ako dahil tatawid lang tayo. Aray ko. Pabay. Parang doon ako nanggaling kanina. Yes, doon nga. Sana naka-record Doon ako nanggaling kanina. Ito yung parking ko. Ayoko dumaan. Kadaligo-ligo ako. Hindi ko na alam ang tsura ko. Hindi ako nag-ayos ng buhok. So, tinan natin kung na tayong ticket. Ayan ang ating car. Naambon na. Ay, nako. Ang hair ko. Wala tayong lipstick. Kasi na ating ito pala. Aray. Ay, hindi ko alam kung ano na itsura ko, guys. So, ayun, nandito na tayo sa car. Uwi na tayo. Bukas na tayo mamalengke. Okay, guys. Thank you for watching sa pagsama sa akin today's video. Bye-bye. God bless. Bye.